Hey guys, welcome to another episode of YPCRYPTO. I'm Chris and this is Ant, and we're here for another episode to talk about pulling the trigger. You heard that. So guys, listen, we made some gains, and obviously hopefully you guys who watch our videos have made some gains throughout the last year or last couple of months or years if you've held for longer. We're just going to discuss, I'm going to ask Ant about his exit strategy, what he plans to do for his Bitcoin and Ethereum that he holds, what prices he's looking at, and then most importantly, why he's looking to pull the trigger. So so Ant, you own Bitcoin, you own Ethereum. What's your plan? What's your game? What's your exit strategy, bro?
If you asked me about a month ago, my plan was to take 10% off the table each time Bitcoin and Ethereum hit an all-time high. So say Ethereum went to $6,000, I'll take 10%. If it went to $7,000, I'll take another 10%. Same with Bitcoin. But it's just right now it's a bit tricky. It's because we're hoping this cycle ends in the next 2-3 months.
Yes.
Right. So if Bitcoin hit 100K today, I think I'd be a bit worried because it's a bit too soon. I think
premature.
It's just the jump from 60 to 100K. When something like that happens, it usually crashes.
Yes.
So what we want is the steady growth. So it all depends on that. But for Bitcoin, I'm hoping it gets to 100K and I can sell half of my Bitcoin stash. I don't really want to sell any Bitcoin, but let's be real. I think it's going to go to about 120K and then it'll crash there, and hoping down to like 50K or something like that. 50K, and I think it will go lower than that. I think we're looking, because there's been so much accumulation around the 28 to 35K during this mini bear market we just had. So I'm hoping the new low, that would be the new low once. That's my prediction. And then I'll be, say you had like 10 Bitcoins and it went to 100K, you got $1 million right there, and you didn't sell any of it. So if you sold at least half of it, and when things correct and we go into this bear market, you've got $500,000 to buy back in. So you'll have more Bitcoin than you had.
That's the aim of the game, to get more Bitcoin.
So that's my plan. I want Bitcoin to hit about 100K, and I think I might sell half. Even though we could have this extended bull cycle, but this goes for most coins. So let's say even if you own SHIB, if you bought SHIB like 2 months ago and then it skyrocketed high and you made like 100 grand, I would have sold half of it. So if SHIB went down, no problem, because you made profit, you sold half. If it goes up, even better. So I think that's how you should be looking at some of the coins you have now. If you're in massive profit,
take them off the table.
Take them off the table. But that's Bitcoin. I don't want to sell any Bitcoin, but it'd be stupid not to sell if Bitcoin's 100K.
And what about Ethereum?
Ethereum, it's another tricky one. It all depends on where Bitcoin's at. So if Bitcoin's 100K today and then Ethereum went up to 10 grand in the space of a week, I'd have to sell half, only because it's just so quick. Timing's everything. If the market goes parabolic like within a space of weeks, that's a sign there that we're near the top. So it's actually good to see the slow growth for Bitcoin and Ethereum, so that it's healthy, that it's sustainable. That's the main thing. And then along the way, there's always going to be these targets. I think Bitcoin at 70K is a big target, then Bitcoin at 90K, and then after that it's whatever happens after that. But I think those from Bitcoin, for me, 70 and 90K is where I would personally be looking to take some profits from. Not a lot, maybe like 10%, 15%, and then we just go. Because Bitcoin is something, you want to hold, it's going to hold your value. If anything, if you have altcoins, you want to change it into Bitcoin. I know it may go down, but compared to like altcoins, Bitcoin doesn't correct as hard, right? Yeah, that's true. So, but back to Ethereum. I hope. Well, if I'm hoping,
pray, bro, pray.
I'm hoping Ethereum doesn't move that quick. Because my plan is I want to sell half of my Ethereum at 10 grand, right? And then if it does go 15, 20, at least I've got half of my Ethereum stash to play about with. But eventually I will be selling about probably 90% of my Ethereum by end of this. Bitcoin, I'm only going to sell half. I hope I only sell half. Half of my Bitcoins.
Well, it depends, isn't it? The price of Bitcoin goes to like 300K, then you're like, what do you do, man?
But it's always, you've taught me, you always have skin in the game. Take profits, but at least you have skin in the game.
Always, I mean, I think I put a message in our group a week ago, and that's basically it. We're all gonna be in the stage now where we're probably in the green or making profits. it'll be silly not to take some profits off the table, but it'll also be silly to take all of it off the table, because we're still going up. So always have some skin in the game, because, and don't be too greedy. I know it's hard because that's a real emotion. Greedy is real, you know, and basically just have something there in case it does go crazy and does go parabolic, and then you can take more off the table then. But yeah, man, that's the importance. Don't be a bag holder. Don't get married to your coins. And this is not just for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So don't wait for Bitcoin to go to 70k or 100k for you to sell your altcoin. Like, set your own prices. So if you own you know, Cardano, and your price target, it's kind of, I hope I laugh at that. If you own Cardano and let's say your price target is $5, then that's your price target, you know. If you own Polkadot, same thing, your price target is $200. Make sure you stick to it, take some off the table, keep some there. Just have a plan for both actions, you know. Be prepared for it to go down, but also be prepared to go up, prepared for it to go up. So that's why we made this video. You know, be ready to pull the trigger. I do believe we're about 3-4 months away from the blow off top for the whole market.
Yeah.
That's my opinion. I could be wrong, but I'm not going to sell everything. I'm probably going to sell 75% of my portfolio around that time, and keep 25% in case it does go to the moon. Yeah. But guys, listen, that's just our opinion. Obviously, let us know what your extra strategies are in the comments below. But yeah, if you like this content, please like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.